Cardi B. I need honey now. God got me now. She said she would have party with Cardi.
Actually, the Betty and a Ferrari. Okay, so we got speaker right
Yeah, for you. Now let's do a video.
Hi.
Why you asking me what I have for you?
You said I have something for you.
I did.
Yeah.
I wanted a picture. Can you do a video for me?
Hi, it's my birthday.
It's
hi,
his birthday.
Elijah. Hi.
How old are you this year?
I'm 6.
Oh, big boy. What do you want for your birthday?
I want me.
Look at my back pocket.
What back pocket? I don't see no back pocket.
Inside my skirt. Right there. No. Birthday day.
A bouncy house.
A bouncy house. Well, outside so all your friends can come?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be nice. Well, I don't have a bouncy house right now. But can you buy something with this?
Yeah. $100. Yeah.
Oh, then you gotta put that somewhere safe. Put it upstairs in the room. Go upstairs. You don't want to get nothing for today? Okay, well, be careful. Well, isn't it a pocket with snap? In his pocket. Yeah, with snap. Here. With snap. Make sure that stays secure. Be careful with that. But you got your $100. Put it in your... Okay. What are you going to get? Be careful with that, Daddy. This is big. Okay. I didn't go to the store, but remember, I think you said you go on a boardwalk, go crazy, go buy whatever you want. The Crash Bandicoot game. Oh, I love Crash Bandicoot. You still want to get that?
Yeah.
Pose. What did you say, Day? Why are you holding your nose? No, it don't.
I heard that.
Don't calm them down. They won't be able to argue, boo boo. Lord Farquaad. He hopped and he popped. So where are we going today?
I'm making this for Nyla.
You're making it for Nyla? Oh, nice. You're not gonna make nothing for Elijah? Elijah? I thought that was your problem.
Mommy,
did you do that?
We're all each other's problems. I'm saying my problem. Mommy, put your head in here. Do it stinks?
Your issue. I don't have no car seat. I don't have no kids. What happened?
That's what Mom said.
Look at those cupcakes. They look real sad. Can you move those, Day?
We about to swim.
You look women like them. I need a...
Oh, he's walking. I didn't like the balloon. Well. Hi, everybody. Today is officially DJ's celebration. It's his birthday. He's a big boy now. And yes, he is real. He's a real boy. Look at my handsome nephew. He's very talented.
Right here.
That's him, Dante. He got a Burberry beside him. Where the money at?
It's in my pocket.
We haven't left to go there yet.
I'm gonna go right now.
Okay.
Auntie, can we
Well,
take
make
a
your
trip?
way on there. We'll meet you there.
Can we go to a trip and
Where?
flick a coin in the waterfall?
Yeah. Make a wish.
Yeah, let's go.
My stuff is delayed.
Dante, put your seatbelt on. We go into the room first. If y'all do all y'all support, all y'all want. Turn around and put your seatbelt on.
What happened?
Turn around, put
What did you wish for?
I was for a Nerf gun.
A Nerf.
Oh, God. You know your Nerf guns we have.
Okay. We're going through a whole crazy house over here at the Claridge. Leah signed us up for it.
Why do you have to do that?
It's a little light joke. Did you get the joke?
Huh?
You don't get it?
Get what?
I'm about to get Leah a good cleaner right now.
Okay, so that's gonna go back down to floor 1.
Check out.
Check out.
Where is it?
Your shoe. See the shoe right there, Leah?
Where?
Ashley, right there. The shoe.
Oh, okay.
Pick my baby shoe up.
Oh, sorry. Good. The baby just trying to run through the mirror. Oh, no time about it? Okay, he hit me.
No, let's go. Get up. What are you doing?
Get back over here. Show us how it's done.
I need scissors. I need something sharp. Nobody has nothing sharp.
Can I blow it?
No, you can't blow it, Ashley.
I want to show it on video.
Sonic. After Sonic is gonna be Knuckles.
Is that good? Hey family, we out in the city. We about to take a walk through the park. We're in beautiful Sunnyvale. Say hi, Layla. Hey. She looked like her girl, or her girls look like her. This is my other baby sister. She came to celebrate Dita's birthday party.
Give me an A. A. Give me an A. Give me an M.
Give me an I to the N-N-G. Who's amazing? And me and Jay.
Jayla and I. And this little crybaby.
I love to dance. I was dancing on him at the house. I was shaking it.
Mom was like, oh, my knee, my knee. I know, and I was stuck for 2 days. Come on. I think I'm another one, Ashley. Okay.
Come on, you, Bobby, and J-Lo. 1, 2.
Hey!
I'm out of here.
Wow.
Party all the time. Party all the time. To party. We're over here. Get into it, yeah. Oh, Lay, he loves it. That's good bonding time, right? He hasn't cried, has he? It's a birthday party. I can chill.
I can just like kind of relax. It's okay. Your family's here. I haven't ripped it off, girl. You getting in the water? She getting in the water. I want to get in the water too. I was trying to edit.
Lucy just chilling. Poolside. Everybody else in the pool. I forgot my bathing suit. So
There's other people here, so like I can't just go in my bra and panties. I'm gonna wait until it kind of dissipates, and then I'm just gonna cannonball and shit.
it's like I'm a dress on. But what I was wearing earlier was like my go-to dress. And I couldn't wear that because I'm like, that's just way too dressy to get in the pool. So I have to kind of wait a little bit. I don't mind waiting. There's like 2 other famous here. We're at one of the hotel public pools, and it's like pouring out. Like it smells like pouring through the whole hallway, which is.
I'm a piece of delivery for kids.
Hi. I'm with the family. We're at the LK. We got all the kids over there. We're having a run. They're choosing games to play.
This game apparently is too raw. It got the girl shook. Bella was scared. Summer thrills, huh?
Right? Get on the 4,000 scores. The balls are flying. Oh Lord. Ooh.
She's like.
I was sitting at the pool for a while, and I got a little scared. I thought I lost my keys. I didn't, of course. Expected, found everything. You have to have card access to go to the rooftop. I'm going to the rooftop right now because
Come on, Ashley, ride that thing.